Welcome to Empowered by Meditation. Today, we invite you to join us on a transformative journey to restore balance, clarity, and joy in your life by focusing on one of the most vital neurotransmitters in your brain, dopamine. In this guided meditation, we'll use breathwork, visualization, and affirmations to help you naturally reset and recharge your dopamine levels, leaving you feeling more motivated, focused, and energized. Dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good chemical, but it's so much more than that. It's the driving force behind motivation, focus, creativity, and even your ability to experience pleasure. When your dopamine levels are out of balance, you may feel sluggish, unmotivated, or even disconnected from the things that once brought you joy. This meditation is designed to help you reset, recharge, and recalibrate your dopamine levels naturally. Through mindfulness, visualization, and intentional breathing, we'll work together to create a sense of inner harmony and awaken your brain's natural ability to produce and regulate dopamine. So, find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down, and let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply. And exhale fully. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. As you settle into this moment, set an intention for this practice. Perhaps it's to feel more energized, to reconnect with your inner drive, or to simply give yourself the gift of presence. Whatever your intention, hold it gently in your mind as we move forward. Let's start by bringing awareness to your body. Close your eyes if you haven't already, and take a moment to notice how you're feeling physically. Start at the top of your head. Are there any areas of tension? Gently invite those muscles to relax. Now, move your attention down to your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Release any tightness you may be holding. Let your shoulders drop, your arms soften, and your hands rest comfortably. Continue scanning down your body, your chest, your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way to the tips of your toes. With each breath, imagine a wave of relaxation flowing through you, releasing any stress or tension you've been carrying. Now, let's turn our attention to your breath. Breathing is one of the most powerful tools we have to influence our nervous system and, in turn, our brain chemistry. Begin by inhaling deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold the breath for a count of 4. And exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Let's try that again. Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. and exhale for 6. This type of breathing, known as diaphragmatic breathing, helps to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress and creating the ideal conditions for dopamine production. As you continue this pattern, imagine that with each inhale, you're drawing in fresh, revitalizing energy. And with each exhale, you're releasing anything that no longer serves you, stress, fatigue, or self-doubt. Now, let's move into a visualization exercise. Picture yourself standing at the entrance to a beautiful garden. This is no ordinary garden, it's your garden of joy, a place where your brain's natural ability to produce dopamine is nurtured and flourishing. As you step into the garden, notice the vibrant colors around you. The flowers are in full bloom, their petals radiating shades of pink, yellow, and blue. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, and you can hear the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. Walk slowly along the path, feeling the soft earth beneath your feet. With each step, imagine that you're activating the pleasure centers in your brain. Visualize tiny sparks of light, representing dopamine, beginning to glow and multiply within you. As you continue through the garden, you come across a crystal-clear fountain. This is the fountain of renewal. Sit beside it for a moment and dip your hands into the water. Feel its cool, refreshing energy. As you touch the water, imagine it infusing your body with vitality, clarity, and joy. Take a moment to drink from the fountain. With each sip, feel yourself becoming more energized, more focused, and more connected to your inner sense of purpose. Now, let's introduce some affirmations to reinforce this sense of balance and renewal. Repeat these words silently or out loud, allowing them to sink deeply into your subconscious mind. I am worthy of joy and fulfillment. My brain is capable of producing all the dopamine I need. I am motivated, focused, and energized. I release habits that drain me and embrace habits that nourish me. I am in control of my thoughts, my actions, and my happiness. Feel the truth of these words resonating within you. With each affirmation, imagine your dopamine pathways becoming stronger and more vibrant. Gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to boost dopamine naturally. Take a moment to reflect on 3 things you're grateful for right now. They can be big or small, anything that brings a smile to your face or warmth to your heart. As you focus on these things, notice how your body responds. You might feel a sense of lightness, a tingling sensation, or even a gentle smile forming on your lips. This is your brain releasing dopamine in response to positive thoughts. As we begin to bring this meditation to a close, take a few more deep breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing awareness back to your physical body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Do you feel more grounded? More energized? More connected to your inner sense of joy? Remember, this sense of balance and renewal is always available to you. Thank you for joining us on this journey to reset and recharge your dopamine levels. By practicing mindfulness, visualization, and gratitude, you've taken a powerful step toward reclaiming your motivation, focus, and joy. Until next time, take care of yourself, and remember, you have the power to create balance and happiness within you. Have a great mindful day.